Hey guys, what's up? Rice Game Alice here. Bleh.
Hey guys, what's up? Rice Gaming House here for another video, and today we're reviewing the USS Terminator. Guys, you guys smash the like button, and we got 100 views in like an hour. That's amazing, guys. So if you guys want to see more Battleship craft videos, Warship craft videos, then I'm gonna make more then. So today we have the USS Terminator. It's a custom ship. I was trying to make it like a cruiser slash like small carrier. So you can see on the side there's a lot of planes. So in the front there's a lot of more AA guns. Yeah, there's a lot of AA guns to defend against this ship. There's a lot of small guns there in front. I like these guns because they can't like these guns because they can shoot straight and they do a lot of damage. These do the same thing but they shoot faster. 2 Yamato guns for more power, and a bunch of flak guns. The German machine guns to help defend Yamato guns. Including torpedo tubes in the front. It goes 40 knots, and has weak toughness of only 5,500. It's okay, I guess. It's a really small ship, but its job is to move fast and, send its deadly cargo. So, let's see if this can kill the Yamato. Can kill like a Richelli. Let's see if it can kill the Richelli. First, missiles. I didn't review the Richelli yet. I'm probably gonna do that maybe another day. Yeah. Okay, we already crisping. Make it all dark and crisp. Chicken. I don't know, guys. Okay. It's actually, the Richelli is actually kicking our butts right now. Sort of. We're kind of winning, we're kind of losing. Turning everywhere. It's gonna take forever because it's a strong battleship. Oh, if you guys like naval craft, then don't worry, guys. It's gonna come back soon. I'm working on a ship right now. Battleship craft, warship craft videos are easy for me to make because I make my own. Naval craft videos are a little bit harder because the blocks are smaller in naval craft and it's a lot slower. So yeah, this battle's gonna last forever because one, Shelly has strong armor, I have strong armor, and yeah. So you can see some action of the USS Terminator. So let's see how well it does against Maritime Fortress. Why not? Oh, guys, make sure you guys hit the like button and comment down below. If you had to make a fort in a store, what store would you do it in? I would say probably like Walmart. Walmart is probably easy for it to make, and I can like spy on I would do it near the toy section. Well, you can't because it's toys, but I would be like that stalker, and when the kids would take the toys, I'd be like, "Hey, kid," and the kid would look at me creepily, and yeah, I've been watching a lot of those fort videos on YouTube lately. Why are we fighting the fortress again? I don't know. Okay, let's go fight USS Langley. Okay. Well, actually, no, don't do that. Please don't kill anything. Okay, good. I want to see how well the AA guns can do. I never tested it, so yeah. I'm actually really proud of it. I try to make the superstructure futuristic looking, It looked okay. I actually kind of like it. Okay, here comes the A guns. How do we sink it? Well, the A guns of the USS Terminator is amazing. We didn't even get hit. So, multi-stage air base? Nah. Yeah, we have to kill the Yamato. Why not? Can a cruiser kill the Yamato? Let's see. Send our fighters. Go. Fighters, fly. Fly. One shot killed, like, almost all our planes. That's really sad. Rip planes. You guys had a good life before you guys got shot down. Not really, but... I don't know why the ships in Warship craft, they like try to dodge the rockets even though the rockets are homing. All of our Tomahawks literally just like destroy the Yamato. Like, our fighters are not doing any work. Only our VLS. Any damage, kill a lot of our front guns. That sucks. I hate how weak some of the guns are. And rip Yamato. So that's the end of this video, guys. So that's my USS Terminator. Probably gonna do another battleship craft video later. I'm thinking to maybe do next time naval craft. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, do all that good stuff. So yeah, Rice Gaming out. Peace.